Stop losing patients to med spas. The real reason board certification isn't protecting you. If you're an ABPS-certified plastic surgeon losing patients to med spas offering similar treatments at lower prices, this explains the specific reason your board certification isn't protecting you and what actually does. You hold the highest credential in aesthetic medicine, yet you are losing ground daily. The med spa market will hit $64.46 billion by 2032, taking revenue directly from your practice. This isn't about better care. Their marketing makes your board certification commercially invisible. The battle for patients is being won on visibility, not qualifications. We will expose the med spa reality, prove your credentials' value, and show you how to make it unmissable. So what is the truth behind the med spa boom? It begins with a shocking absence of oversight. Med spas function in a legal grey area, a true Wild West where nearly 75% of states have no real regulations. Think a doctor is on site? Only 37% of med spas are physician-owned. Most have ghost medical directors. This lack of oversight means no standardized training. Unlicensed staff are performing medical procedures. The outcome is predictable and dangerous. Reports of serious complications from unqualified providers are rising. So we have an unregulated industry with minimal physician presence. Why don't patients see the danger? The answer is psychologically and marketing. Med spas expertly blur the line between a spa day and a medical procedure. They sell convenience, easy booking and no downtime, making the choice feel low risk. What is the actual cost of this? This low risk perception is built on a dangerous assumption that anyone offering these services must be a licensed pro. Social media amplifies this falsehood, flooding feeds with perfect results while omitting risks and staff qualifications. This isn't just advertising, it's a move from patient care to a profit model. Risks are downplayed to secure business. Patients are lured by convenience and deceptive marketing into an unregulated system. What are the real consequences? Let's discuss what actually is being injected. Some spas use counterfeit, non-FDA approved products to cut costs. The harm from bad practitioners is immense. Complications include severe burns, infections, and even facial paralysis. And if something goes wrong, you are on your own. Many med spas lack proper malpractice or liability insurance. This is the true cost of a cheap med spa procedure we asked about. It's the risk of permanent harm and corrective surgery. This is the reality patients are being sold on. Now let's contrast this with the gold standard they're sold away from. What does ABPS-certified mean? It signifies the highest standard, rigorous education and a minimum of 6 years surgical training. This is comprehensive surgical skill. ABPS surgeons are trained both in aesthetic and complex reconstructive work. The practice environment is different, sterile, regulated with direct physician oversight and full accountability. The difference is measurable. This level of training directly causes fewer complications and higher quality, safer care. So we have two models, a high-risk business versus a highly trained medical practice. How do we close this gap? The solution is not to copy med spa tactics. It is to amplify the one asset they can never replicate: the ABPS certification. When patients research a procedure, the board certification difference must be present at every single turn. Every piece of content should contrast the Wild West of med spas with the proven safety of an ABPS surgeon. This strategic visibility re-educates the market. It turns the med spa boom from a threat into an opportunity. The problem was never your qualifications, it was your visibility. Med spas use marketing to hide their flaws. The solution is making your credential so prominent that patients' choice becomes obvious and simple. When your credential advantage is made visible, educated patients will consistently choose the board certified option. Stop letting marketing savvy competitors define the story. Make your credential the standard of safety and excellence. Hit subscribe, as we will be exposing more of the invisible problems most surgeons don't even know they have.